Hello, in front of me is a Toyota Corolla Cross, and today I'm going to be doing an install video on these roof rack crossbars. I will put the link for this product down in the description, and if you find this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Here is the box that the crossbars came in. I'm going to go ahead and get it opened up and see what all is inside. Now that I have everything unboxed, you have all 4 brackets, the 2 crossbars, some instructions, and all the hardware you need to do the install. They also label everything really well so you know what location it goes in. The first thing we're going to do is grab the left-hand front bracket, the right-hand front bracket, and get it bolted to the front bar here. It's very important to pay attention to the sticker that says front of vehicle because the front is actually thicker than the back to be more aerodynamic and prevent wind noise. Now that we have both the roof rack crossbars assembled, we need to take a small flat screwdriver and pop off these covers on the roof rails. Now we're going to install the front crossbar. You're going to need 2 of these rubber washers and 2 of these bolts. Now we are going to take the rubber washer and place it over the threaded hole on each side. Now we are going to set the front crossbar in place. Now we are going to take those long bolts and tighten them down on each side. Now that you have it bolted down to the roof rail, you can go underneath and finish tightening these bolts. I went ahead and installed the rear crossbar and tightened down all the bolts. Now I just need to get the end caps installed and we should be good to go. The last step is taking the corresponding end cap, taking the keys that are supplied with these, make sure they're in the unlock position, and then just go ahead and pop them on. Now that it's on there, you just turn the key to the lock position and take the key out, and it is done. Here is what the finished install looks like on these roof rack crossbars. Some nice things about these is that they have a 260-pound load capacity, an aerodynamic design for less wind noise, and an anti-theft locking system. Again, I will put the link for this product down in the description, and if you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you.